Right, guys, I'm back. Should be working now. Come on, show it, show it, show it, show it. No, no. Yeah, I'm on mic. Alright, guys, I'm back. If you don't, this video will be second two-parters then. What I was doing is trying to control this bit, but oh wait, there's a transition square. Yes, fade in, fade out. It's not meant to do anything on it's the first person controller that's causing the problem. So if you guys don't know, the current problem is this is not getting triggered, but it's saying that it doesn't exist in the system, but it does exist in the system. I'm gonna just show you what it's saying. So you see this level 2 phase 1 is the same spelling. And I'm gonna change the spelling. Yeah, same spelling, nothing changing and everything. So level 2 phase 1 apparently doesn't exist because of that, but it does exist because level 2 couldn't be loaded because it has not been loaded. Build settings, right? But if you look at this, build settings, it does exist. It's right there. Like right there. What I'm gonna do is, it might be a simple problem. I just maybe just need to delete it from there, then build it again. Simple. Delete. Add open scene. Done. Level 2 phase 1. Simple as that, right? I'll even go as far as saving the scene and going back to world 2, starting it again, because why not? And I want to see what it says on the okay, again, it's been added though. Right, it can be a simpler way. What I'll do is rename some level 2 phase 1. Right, that's gonna be the spelling now. Right, level 2 phase 1, simple as that. And then I'm gonna go back to level 2 phase 1. Build settings, same, right? It is there, so don't say it's not. Now I'm gonna go back to the code and I'm gonna change the name to level 2 phase 1. Right. It's done. Simple. Right. Now we go back at it. Locked. It's locked. What is locked? World 2. And again. Oh wait, it happened. So it did get loaded. Right. Now the transition didn't happen though. So transition, raw image, canvas group, fade in, time to fade 1. Okay, so we got the build working again. So, but the only problem, the transition's not happening. It might be because it's not trigger. It's not meant to be the raw image canvas. So it's going to be this canvas. I just need to enable it. Alpha equals 1. Let's just go 0. And alpha for this. Right. Okay, why can't I see anything? And game wise I can see everything, scene wise I can see everything. Let's try again. You know, I just need to save it and see one thing. Trigger. This is not tag. Wait, this is the wrong image. Time to create one. Okay. Does have a alpha goes 0, raw image also have a canvas group down. Okay, so raw image is meant to have a canvas group, which is going to go 0, interactable, yes. Well, interface, no. This is meant to have a canvas group, raw image, canvas group, fade in, time to fade 0, then raw image, alpha goes 0, block recast, no. Interactable, yes, log alpha goes 0. Try again. Alright, so this doesn't take place. Game. Oh, it doesn't exist in the game. It does happen, but it doesn't exist in the canvas. Wait, what? Where is the canvas? Is it just 1000? Alpha 1. Oh, there you are. Right. Let's go back to alpha 0. So now it should technically work. I think it was colliding with the canvas group. Canvas is canvas group. Beauty on the beauty on the stick on the beauty and a beauty on the pitch. Work, made it work so well that it doesn't show. Yes, you see, it works now. Now we are gonna work on Now we are gonna work on level 2 phase 2. Alright, we're gonna work on level 2 phase 2. So currently what the idea will be, so you see fantasy house, let's go there. See this, see the plane there, so we're gonna add the trigger 4 there. It's gonna be right on there. We're gonna add a transition to it, so transition, transition there. We're gonna give a canvas to it again, so canvas, not that. I'm gonna add a raw image. So same thing we did before. And raw image, it will be 1000. It will be 1000. and we'll have a canvas group on it. Interactableness alpha by 0, and this will have canvas group of the raw image, which will be there. Done. Time to fade. 1. Done. Now it should load level 2 phase 2. Right, I'm gonna rename it again because I think it's a name problem again. Level 2 phase 2. Right, so let's go to level 2 phase 2 and modify it. So level 2 phase 2 will be very simple. I'm not even gonna lie, it's gonna be very simple. So it's just gonna be, yeah, it's just gonna be a straight line. So none of this, 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 none of this. It's just gonna be a straight line saying not even that. So typically not even that. And let's root the process. It's just gonna be a straight like, oh, damn it, just gonna be like that, and I'm gonna introduce a key in there. So a simple key, I'm gonna download a key from the asset store. Give me 1 second. The asset store. Key below body. So just simple keys, I'm just gonna add them to my assets, and then I'm just gonna introduce again a key. So it's downloading, and I'm just gonna import it. Done. key and start the pipeline and simple LED, and we're gonna change the color to red because I like red. Same with this, and change the color to red. Make it a bit more lit, so kind of like a mix of red and white. See, kind of looks nice. I'm gonna make the key a bit bigger, like that, and adding I'll add prefab, and we just add a simple kind of like that, but it's gonna be purple because what this thing is purple. This is gonna have the same color as the grass. So there. Again, the key comes into place. Let's make it like that. Now we add a box collider on it, but a bigger one because to trigger picking up a key. So once again, it's going to be a trigger. Key will have nothing but a specific, so you just go on FPS and you just, I'm gonna, now this is gonna be named, don't need that, this is gonna be named trigger 4. Then it's gonna show a it's gonna activate a canvas text saying keys pick up, first of all trigger 4, then where is it, stay right here, if input dot get key down, again will be F because I have to pick up the flashlight. Then we're gonna name the chain scene, and then the chain scene will occur, so this will be chain scene 3. So chain, we just duplicate that, we name it chain scene 3, and we change the name for level 2 phase 2, and that's the original name, but I'm just going to double check. And then we go back to the trigger, chain scene 3 occurs, then we go on level 3 phase 1, that will be inside a house, so we make a house. Currently I don't know how many levels we're gonna go for. I'm really hoping to get to 8 or 9, but that's again, it's a 5 to 6 months project. We are already on month 2. We have finished most of the mechanics off, so which is a good thing. So that's a good thing, but we are still on just a level 2. We are gonna get to level 3 probably, but we are probably gonna finish level 3 in the next 2 streams. Level phase 1 and phase 2, level 3, then again level 4, level 5, level 6, and phases will also increase between levels because it can't be just 1, 2 phases between each level. It can be 3 or 4 phases. So yeah, it can be a 6 level game, it can be a 10 level game. I'm not gonna go more than 10 because again, that's probably gonna take more than 3 months, more than 4 months which we have left now. So yeah, Currently the game's going pretty good. We have figured out most of the mechanics. Transition is working, we have a key mechanic we have a pickup mechanic working. So yeah, it's going pretty good, but we are just figuring out what everything to do. Change scene 3 will occur, and now we get back to it. Yeah, so there it has a box letter is trigger. You got FPS controller, then this is gonna be named trigger. It's not this trigger 4. Let's go back to it. And I'm gonna also add a canvas. Where's my canvas? And UI first will be TextMax Pro, which will be saying that one we used last time. Alright, which first will be saying is press F to pick up the keys. Right. Maybe it was that one? No, that one? Yes. And this one will be purple though because fantasy. Yeah. Press F to pick up keys when we change it to there by here. We're gonna change. No, that's for later. And anchor goes to there. Right. Done. Trigger 4, and we get back to the scene. It's not done yet. And then it will need to. Do need to add it to the build settings. And open scene, level 2 phase 2, which is spelling is perfect. Now this will take us to level 3, which we'll have to make from the start. So we create another scene. Wait, I'm just gonna rather than that, I'm gonna level 2 scene trace one, so I'm gonna duplicate that. I'm gonna rename it to level 3 phase 1, and I'm gonna rename, copy the name, put it here. Cancel. Yeah. And then we go level 3 phase 1, save everything. We go build settings, add open scene, level 3 phase 1, that's right. This is just for now, it doesn't exist in the real world, but we're gonna add a transition, we need to add a transition to it as well. So then we go back to the canvas, add a raw image, which will be this one. Make it width 1000, then 1000, and then we also give it a canvas group. No, cancel. Canvas group. Hey, not interactable. Alpha is 0 for now, and done. Then let me go back to the code. Oh damn, it's a very long process. It's a very simple process, but it's a long process if you get what I mean. Chain scene 3, key code F, and it also needs to make a. Also need to add a game object. Public. Game object. No, public game object. Keys. Text. Done. Then go back to that. And that one, and then we go canvas, we give that the text. There you are, done. Now should be working. Like I'm just gonna keep check because now it shouldn't get activated if I do this. So maybe text that. Oh wait, I forgot to add something. We have the key text now. If your game left key state, key text set active true. Done. Then it goes in if input changing 3 occurs. Changing 3, which is this, level 2 says 2. Spelling is right if I'm not wrong, but I'm just gonna check. Why? Just gonna double check. Rename, copy. Go back to the code and changing 3 double. Done. Right. Now, according to my calculation, my genius coding calculations, I didn't leave anything out. Maybe, I'm not sure, because coding is a bitch, a bad bitch. Press F to pick up keys. Done. And it doesn't happen. F. And so something doesn't happen. Doesn't it trigger it out? What? Trigger for this name trigger for. I'm just gonna copy. It might be a spelling issue, to be honest. Like always. If I input get key F, then it does happen. Wait, it can't be a spelling issue. Wait, it couldn't have been a spelling issue. Press F to pick up keys, keyboard. Oh wait, it doesn't have a transition on itself. I found it. Found the problem. Yeah, that. And that activated one. Now it should work. What's going on? Work. Come on. F. I am for F. Maybe I didn't save the scene. That's why. What? It's named trigger 4, not trigger 3. What? Trigger 4. Save. What just happened? Why am I crouching? What? That glitch. So it doesn't get triggered for some reason. It does. Level 3, phase 1. Yeah. I'll rename it. I'm not gonna rename it. Rename, That's my sister. I will say hello. Copy the name. Yeah, the camera's lit, that's fine. So wait. It might be I think it's just a coding issue, to be honest. Here and there, simple problems. Key tags are set. If import get key down, key code F, change scene 3. Change scene 3 is change scene 3 is level. No, wait, that's where I'm wrong. Level 3 phase 1. It was loading itself. Oh, that's not true. And I do have the change that I think I already have it, so I'm just gonna keep it. Alright, let's try again, shall we? Nope. Let's see what's the problem. No error. The thing is showing no error as well, so how am I supposed to know if you don't show an error? Level 3 phase 1 exists. Oh wait, I changed the name of the scene as well, so it might be that. Scene name, copy. Illuminated change to 3. Oh wait, no, I get it. Start courage. Yeah, how can I even make this mistake? This might be the dumbest mistake I've ever made. Then go and voila, done. Alright, we are on level 3 phase 1, that works. Transition mechanic is perfectly fixed, keys mechanic is perfectly fixed. Now we have to make a level 3 phase 1, which will have none of that. It will be a house, so I won't need any grass because houses don't have grass. So none of that, 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 none of that. Wait. Let's go inside this house. Does anything exist inside that? Wait, where's the fantasy house? Why can't I see the fantasy house? There we go. If I go inside the house, it should have. Let me change the lighting first of all. Sky series. So, yeah, so it is a proper house, so I can make everything inside this house. I mean, it doesn't have a going up thingy, which I will need to add. So So if I just make this big enough, that's what she said, I can work within this house. Technically, I mean, there's some things need to readjust. So I'm gonna delete all of that. Delete. And where is my first person? What? Oh, did I delete the first person? So take this out and take my fantasy house out and delete everything inside here. Delete. Voila, it's delete, delete, delete. Every card gets deleted. Right. Now get back to the first person. You start inside the house. We'll need to work on it. We'll need to make the house big as well. That's what. Yeah, that should be big enough. First person controller. Can you see it? Still needs to be a bit bigger. It needs to be big enough so I can work with it. Right. Game wise, I don't see anything. What? Game wise, I'm not even inside the house. I'm inside the house. Might be. But I'm what? Let's go back to there. Still not inside the house. Wait, where is the house position? Minus. There I am. And I go in, and in. Now I'm inside the house. I'm not inside the house. Wait, what? I need to get you inside. Now you're definitely inside the house. Alright. Now inside, definitely inside the house. The house is too big. Let's see first how big is the house. Yeah, not gonna happen. I'll need to change it from, I'll need to make it from the start. Once will get deleted. And I will use these houses platform as a foundation to see how to make the house work. You know what, I'll delete all of this. I'll make the house from the start. Wait, I should have a... Okay. First of all, let's go 0, 0, 0. Position should always be 0, 0, 0. Done. Now we go back to the... where do we go? Where do we go? There. Not that. Where is my houses thing? Yeah, there. Now this position goes 0, 0, 0. Now where is my player? Now when the player is meant to go, he shouldn't be able to see anything. Get up, and I'm just gonna try to see if, because I think the house might not have a boss flat underneath. Wait, it does. So that's, I'm inside the house, right? What I'll need to do is, I can't look up as I remember, so I'll need to take this wall out, add some interiors in it, that's fine. Change that, take this wall out, make the house a bit, okay. Take this wall out, add a stair to go up, which I will use to go up obviously, and add some doors inside the thing. Yeah. Right, so whatever fantasy houses, we make it a bit big, because currently it's not as big. That's right. Now we go back to the player, make sure player stays inside the house still, and I'll take, what wall should I take out? I'll take this wall out, open prefab. I just need to take one wall out rather than all of them. I don't need anything from inside, so, I mean I do need windows. And I just need the interior to be honest. But I can't delete a single wall, so I'll need to create my own walls. Right, I just need the windows, that's it. That's all I need to be honest. Take this out, just this, fuck's sake. Can't I open the prefab on there? Right, now that's just weird. It's might as well I just create my own fucking thing. Let's go back. So this exists, but this doesn't exist. It makes sense. Delete. Open prefab, yes. Delete. So all I have is left with now is Windows. That's it. So I'm gonna add a platform. Then Windows go a bit down. So there exactly. I don't need these many windows, but I'll keep them just in case. Now I'm gonna rename it platform, obviously. Now we add some walls on there, so let's create some walls. Okay, let's add some walls. Duplicate that. Go like that and rotate it 90 minus 90 with X not obviously don't need to have big ones, so like that. Again, duplicate that. Let's get back to it and add it here. Done. Duplicate that, rotate it 90 degrees like that. Add it here. Duplicate that and add it here. So that's our basic house, right? Windows will need to be moved a bit, so the problem is the windows. All I need is one window, to be honest, so I can just duplicate it. I'm just gonna unpack that. All I need is one window. So door can't be used because you're inside the house. And I'm gonna make the house on my own. I just need a couple of interior things, but other than that's pretty much it. What? So you don't even give me fucking windows on the side. That's just rude. That's X. Oh wait, there you go. Here is the window. Oh come on, you're not even gonna give me windows on the side. Where is the window? You have? Wait, it should be here then. Yeah, I don't need that many. Thing is, you give me so many, but I don't need that many. Yeah, see, give me so many. Alright. No, fuck you. Literal fuck you. I'm gonna get my own windows. That's for later. I'm gonna make the windows happen, don't worry. So house, we are inside the house. Where is the FPS thing? So you start right outside the door. So like right here. You start right outside the door. You see, what do you see? You see stuff is gonna be in there. We're gonna have some wall lights. It's gonna be kind of a tough situation to do. But you can do it. Do you wanna do it now, guys? Cause I think I'm kind of tired, to be honest. You know, I'll end the stream now. Next stream, so in this stream what we worked on was, yeah, because this is gonna be kind of a long process. So okay, in this stream we worked on keys. We got our keys working. We finished level 2 phase 2. We started level 3 phase 1. That's 2 levels completely done. Now we just need to work on level building, level ups, level developing stuff, but that's pretty much it. Thank you guys, and I'm gonna end the stream. See ya, bye bye.